Today at Model Corner, we'll be looking at the PPC Plastic Plane Company Thomas Cook Airlines Airbus A321 in 1/200 scale. And as you can see, this is a snap fit kit that you can put together easily with no glue required, as I will demonstrate now. So firstly, you're going to want to take the fuselage, which is here in one big piece, and attach the wings. So just take the wing, and they should just push onto the body like so. So there's wing one. Of course, the second wing, give it a little push, and you have the second wing. And there you go, wings attached to the fuselage. And now moving on to the tail, we're going to add the stabilizers, starting off with the vertical. Again, just take it, push it in, simple as that. And now onto the horizontal. Again, same as everything else, as you can see. It's got a little L telling you it should be on the left. This one, an R for the right. And there you have it. There is the Thomas Cook Airlines Airbus A321 in 1/200 scale. You can see the Thomas Cook livery, of course, big Thomas Cook writing. Got the logo on the tail, livery here. You can see on the jet engines too, the orange. We've got a little Union Jack here. See the detail on here? All the doors, windows. See the cockpit. Turn it around to the other side. Now we can look at things like the wings. And you can see all the flaps are on the wing tips, which on the inside have a little logo, and on the outside do as well. See underneath, you can see the jet engines. You can see inside. A little detail there about there. Overall, it's very nice for what it is. But it also comes with a display stand here, as you can see. This model doesn't have landing gear, but it has a display stand, which is two parts, which has Thomas Cook Airlines, little logo, and the model of the plane, the Airbus A321. Just fit them together like so. And this just pushes on to the bottom of the plane, like so. Just give it a little push. You can push it out further, but for this demonstration, it's not needed. And there you go. The PPC Plastic Plane Company Thomas Cook Airbus A321 in 1/200 scale. And this model comes packaged in this box here, which has a mock-up of the plane here. Its scale 1/200. And the model of the plane, the Airbus A321. That's what's on here. Again, some more info. And we have some information about a real Airbus A321, such as its length, its wingspan, and its height. And for the model, its length is about 22.2 centimeters long, and its wingspan is about 17 centimeters long. But overall, here is the height of a real one, and that was the height and wingspan for this model. And this model is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.